Have you ever wondered why your blue pill isn't working? It's quite possible that you are not taking it the right way. There are certain guidelines you should know before taking Viagra. So, gentlemen, in this video, we'll discuss the right way to take Viagra for maximum benefits. Let's start by understanding how Viagra works. Viagra contains the active ingredient sildenafil citrate, which helps to increase blood flow to certain areas of the body, including the penis. This increased blood flow can cause a firm and lasting erection when sexually stimulated. Now, the first point you should know is when to take Viagra. Viagra should typically be taken about 30 to 60 minutes before engaging in sexual activity. It's important to note that Viagra doesn't create an instant erection, but rather enhances the body's natural response to sexual stimulation. It means you need proper stimulation for a successful erection. If you are taking Viagra after a heavy meal, it could be the reason why your pill isn't working. Try to take Viagra on an empty stomach. Food, especially high fat meals, can delay the absorption and effectiveness of Viagra. To ensure maximum benefits, it's recommended to take Viagra on an empty stomach or after a light meal. Avoid alcohol and grapefruit juice. Alcohol and grapefruit juice can interfere with the way Viagra works. It is best to avoid consuming alcohol and grapefruit juice while taking Viagra to maximize its effectiveness and minimize the risk of potential side effects. As we have previously discussed, sexual stimulation is necessary for Viagra to work effectively. Engage in foreplay and create a relaxed and comfortable environment to enhance sexual arousal and optimize the benefits of Viagra. Now, the most important point you should remember: Viagra is not a recreational drug or a performance enhancer. In some situations, it is not recommended at all. We have made several videos on that topic. Check the description for more details. So that's all for today. Hope you find this short video helpful. Let us know in the comment section if you have any queries or concerns about Viagra. Thanks for watching.